Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
This video, I am going to share latest job openings in Vijayawada location. It is from Andhra Pradesh. Let's discuss one by one. Firstly, there is a job opening for computer operator at CFA for SAP billing. So it is either a full-time or a part-time job. So you can check with the address details. So they need experienced candidates, and fresher candidates are also eligible for this position. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided email ID, that is suryamarketingcorp@gmail.com. And for detailed information and any queries, you can also approach them with the given phone number, that is 9505006278. Next, there are openings for full-time home tutor for 10 years kid. So they are giving preference to if a special education trainees. So fees and fees details are as per standards. So interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number for detailed information about this job opening. The number is 8008991339. Next, there are openings for accountant required with perfect knowledge. So for this, a qualification will be graduate with a good communication skills are required, and it is a full-time job. 2 years of experienced candidates are preferred for this position. So interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number for more details. The number is 9392916289. Next, there are openings for female front office executive position. So for this, qualification will be inter or degree. So it is located in Vijayawada location. So they have provided here the contact number to approach them. So if you have any queries, you can contact with the given phone number, that is 9966672210. Next, there is a job opening for DTP operator with English and Telugu typing, PC Maker Photoshop skills. It is for a Jognele Institute located at Nidamanuru, Vijayawada. So they have provided here the WhatsApp number. So interested candidates, you can send your biodata to the provided WhatsApp number, that is 94936 94989. There are vacancies for female front office or customer care position, and they have also vacancies for marketing and also for operation, travels or tourism. So for marketing, both females and male candidates are eligible. So interested candidates, you can check with the contact numbers provided here. So it is located in Vijayawada location. So you can approach them with the given phone numbers for more details. Next, there are openings from the eye hospital. So they have vacancies for lady receptionist, JNM nurse, and also for optometrist positions. So these are the vacancies are available from eye hospitals. So they are going to provide attractive salary for all the positions mentioned above. So they have provided here the contact numbers. So if you have any queries, so if you are interested to apply these positions, so you can approach them with the given contact numbers. Next, there are openings for sales executives and also for distributors for a reputed nutritive food products company. So working hours will be 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. So interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 8179291244. Next, there are openings for receptionist, counselor and accountant positions. So it is for a Amravati Junior College. Salary is negotiable for the positions mentioned above. So interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone numbers provided here. Next, there are job openings available from Square Planets. So they have vacancies for AutoCAD and liaison person, and also for office assistant positions. Firstly, for AutoCAD position, it is for female candidates. For this, the qualification will be ITI or diploma or BTech candidates. in civil department. So for licensed person, it is for both male candidates and female candidates. For this qualification will be MBA. So MBA candidates are eligible for this position, that is licensed person. Third one, for office assistant position, female candidates are preferred. For this qualification will be intermediate or any degree. So these candidates with good computer knowledge are eligible to apply for this position, that is office assistant position. So it is these job openings are from Square Planets located at Vijayawada. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided email id, that is info2square@yahoo.com. So they have also provided here the contact number to approach them if you have any queries regarding these job openings. You can approach them with the given phone number, that is 9885455040. Next, there are openings for teachers for 6th class to 10th class students. So it is in English medium. So you need to teach for all the subjects. It is either full-time or part-time job. So they are going to offer a salary range between 20K to 50K per month. So interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number for more detailed information about the job opening. So the number is 7569297513. Next, there are job openings for shift supervisor position. It is for male candidates. So for this position, qualification will be BTech in electrical or diploma in electrical, and you should be having some experience for this position to apply for this position. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided email id, that is apjobsindia2020@gmail.com, or else if you have any queries, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 8639343149. Next, there are vacancies for female telecallers for working in Canada based education consultancy. So these are the address details provided here. So if you have any queries, you can contact them with the given phone number for more detailed information about this job opening. So the number is 7095405555. Next, there are openings for female office assistant with good English and computer knowledge is required, and also good looking and voice. So interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone numbers. Next, there are openings for sales executives. Qualification will be any degree. So they are going to offer a salary for this position is 8,000 rupees per month, and you will be getting additionally incentives for this position. So it is from Diamond Medicare located at Vijayawada. So they have provided here the contact number to approach them. So if you have any queries, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 9246490291. So that's it in this video, guys. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and if you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job, and also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.